Huwag ibaba na yung balon, papasa lang po. Pasa lang. Pasa lang ha, huwag ibaba na yung balon. Wow! Okay, ilan na 2, 4, 6. Winner natin dito, dalawa ha. Pasa lang ha. Out si Carl Anthony, saka Sinisa. Ilan yan? 3. Kung sino yung out, sila yung matatanggal. Dahil yung dalawang natira sa winner natin ha. Okay. Yan lang. Get set, go! Okay, muna sa likod, pagkatapos. Pasa ng kamay, sa ilalim ng kamay. Muna sa likod, pag after. Next isa. Okay. 1-0. 1 and boy ka. Girls, pabilisan pa. Get set ka lang. Wala pa akong go. Go! Okay, balikan yung balon. Ayun, nahuli yung balon. Go, Lisa! Okay. Winner talaga yung boss. Okay, guys. Sino po dito? Huwag galawin yung iba. Pang mamaya pa yan. Eto muna. Dito, mamaya pa yan. Is mamaya i-continue natin yung games natin. Dahil ngayon, may song number naman ulit si Leila.
There is magic everywhere in the air you breathe. It's true for every living thing. Wildflowers bloom and all birds sing. It's in the voice that guides you home, the light that leads you home. It's in the moment you always grow and you let go. When you fly with me, let your heart believe. Dreams can take you anywhere if you just set them free. When you're true to who you are, you will always find your star. All the wonders you will see when you fly with me. music loud. The world below is beautiful. Keep it like a precious jewel. Put a smile upon the sun. It shines for everyone. Sing the moon a lullaby every night. When you fly with me, let your heart believe. Dreams can take you anywhere if you just set them free. When you're true to who you are, you will always find your star. All the wonders you will see when you fly with me. You'll find your place. Just take a leap of faith. When you fly with me, let your heart believe. Dreams can take you anywhere if you just set them free. When you're true to who you are, you will always find your star. All the wonders you will see when you fly with me. Wonders you will see when you fly with me.
Punta po sa unahan dahil ibublo na po natin yung candles ni Laila. Pag yung M na yun, ibig sabihin nyo, malakas, masaya, at may kasamang palakpak. Kaya ba yun, kids? Opo, yan. Okay na po? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Laila, kailangan dito, Laila.
Okay, message po.
Up.
Message po sa sila. Ano po? Okay, ano ba? Tingnan yung wish or sabihin natin? Tingnan na lang daw, okay? Okay, walang makakamali si Lelen, Kaya. Okay. Siyempre, kumigil si Mami na cake para kay Lelen, Kaya. May surprises ulit si Mami para sa inyo. Okay, Lelen, Kaya, pakikita yung tali doon. Si Lelen. Pwede niyo po hilahin yan? Ay, sira. Wait. Sira.